Hi everyone, welcome back to Civil the Will. In this video I am going to explain you how to find out area of a field or any FMB in the Autocad software. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So before that, let's open the Autocad software. So here this is one field or any FMB. So how can we find out the area of this field? So we have three methods, so let me explain one by one. So the first method is, we already know about it. So with the help of command AA enter, so after that we need to pick the corner points of this field. So after that click on enter. So here we can see the area is 11213 square meters. So this is the first method to find out the area of the field. And the second method is with the help of BO command, BO boundary enter, and we need to click on this option, that is the pick points. So after that we need to click the internal. After that we need to click the internal point of this boundary, so it becomes the boundary of the area as a polyline. After that click on enter. Now use the command list command. After that select this boundary and click on enter. So here we can see the area of this field is 11213.50 square meters. I have kept the units in meters, so the area is in square meters. So another method is, so with the help of hatch command, so here we can see the hatch. So after that we need to pick the internal point. So after that click on enter. So same, we need to find out the area. So give the command enter list command. Now select this polygon, select this hatch area, and after that click on enter. So here we can see the area is 11213.50 square meters. So these are the three methods how we can find out the area for a field or for a boundary. So I hope you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon to get the latest notification. Thank you so much. Love you all. Jai Hind.